Hello everyone. Hi, how are you? This is Kei. So it's 24th of May and it's been a while since I did the live last time. I have not been feeling well recently, but today finally I'm ready. So my condition is not perfect 100%, but I would say that I recovered like 85%. So I think I'm now ready to do live. But during live, I may have to cough. So then I will mute and just cough. But I just wanted to say hi to everyone today. And also, yeah, just wanted to say hi and see everybody's comments. So yeah, I'm glad finally that I'm able to do live on my YouTube today. So yeah, long time no see, long time. Yeah, sorry, I have been unwell for the last 1 week. It lasted so long. I thought I will recover in a couple of days, but as it turns out, the condition was still, long to recover. Still, right now I have my sore throat, so you may hear my voice a bit strange, but a bit different because it's still not perfect. But yeah, let's start the live today. Okay, so all right, let me say hi to everyone quickly. Okay, just hold on, let me just do this. Okay, good to see you. Augustine, thank you for joining. All right. And Mithail, good to see you. Hinata, thank you for joining. And Christopher, good to see you too. Thank you very much. Yeah, good to see you. All right, Tan, thank you for joining. Reza, good to see you. And Luke, thank you for joining as well. Great to see you. Yeah, I hope everybody's okay, healthy, and safe. All right, Kevin, good to see you. Derek also, thank you very much for joining. Yes, I'm feeling much better now. Thank you very much. Yeah, finally. Yeah, this YouTube live stream, I have to use my voice and throat. And if the condition is not really good, then I had to cancel. So yeah, let's see if my throat will be okay for the next 30-40 minutes or so. Okay, Rain, long time no see. Yeah, it's been a long time. Thank you very much for joining. All right, Wing, good to see you. Thank you for joining too. Yeah, Mithail, thank you for joining. Okay, Explorer, good to see you too. Thank you very much for joining. Yeah, it's been a while. Yes, good to see you. Photo, all right, thank you for joining. Global, good to see you too. Thank you very much. Okay, Fun and Amit and JCNK and everyone, great to see you again. Thank you very much. So today, let me check some charts from the trading view and see what's happening in the market right now. So today, I have been watching basically two pairs. One is AUD/USD, which has been downtrending. Oops, sorry, hold on. Let me adjust the frame. Yeah, it's been a while, so I reset the settings, so I have to redo all these. Okay, so I think you can now see the whole trading view. So AUD/USD, this is downtrend and it broke the support. This is one of the pairs I'm focusing today, and so it broke the support. The support area was in between 0.6573 and 0.6564, and it just broke. So it may retrace, but I think this pair will be bearish this week. So you can also monitor AUD/USD and look for an opportunity So I think this is one of the best pairs among the Forex pairs on my watch list. And also, I was also watching AUD-CAD, which is also downtrending. It broke the support level of 0.8909, and currently it's bearish. The Kumo shape also looks very good. This is 4 hour, but the Kumo shape in the 4 hour looks good. Well, actually, AUD-CAD daily Kumo looks better, so I follow the daily downtrend. The Kumo is a bit thicker than 4 hour, and it broke the support. So AUD-CAD looks good, and AUD-USD also looks very good too. So here's a daily chart. Daily chart on AUD-USD shows the Kumo is a bit too small. So in that sense, I would say AUD-CAD has a better setup to follow downtrend. So that's why I put this one as a green. This is my best pair for today. Okay, good to see you again. Thank you very much for joining. Towan, good to see you. And Raiko, good to see you too. Thank you very much for joining. Yeah, it's been a while since I did the live last time, but finally I'm back. So I'm so happy to see comments again. Thank you very much. And in terms of other pairs, I've seen that the other pairs are a bit ranging now or consolidating. I was looking for the selling edge on the Euro USD because it has been bearish after this triple top, and it broke the Kumo on 18th of May, but then it stopped downtrend and it has been ranging this week. So my view is bearish on Euro USD. I continue to look for a selling opportunity. So I wait for the breakout of the new support, 1.0749. Yeah, but basically the other pairs are ranging. Euro AUD is bullish. Euro has been strong today. So if I just check some other pairs, USD-JPY, I'm waiting for the breakout of the new resistance, and also yesterday's doji, 138.89. If it breaks, I follow uptrend, and it's about to happen. So, and what's good about this one is once it breaks, the target is 142.28, and that is 339 pips room to trade. So USD-JPY looks good too, and even before it breaks, I think this is still bullish. There was a ascending P wave. I think I mentioned this last time I did the live. This ascending P wave, and then it broke. So this is bullish. Yeah, so USD-JPY, I put a red mark also, and continue to look for buying opportunity this week, including today. Well, actually today there are some news, so I will remind everyone about the news after I do analysis on these pairs first. And USD-CAD is bullish today itself, but overall is range still. Daily chart shows the Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, and the price is about to break the Kumo, but it's not really stably trending up. So for now, I can see that there are other better pairs to trade, so I don't think I'll trade this one. USD Swiss franc is now bullish, slightly bullish but not strong, and the price is going into Kumo, so most likely that will be very spiky in the lower time frames. Pound USD also is going down and it's going into Kumo, so we can expect that the market will be very choppy. after this. So Kumo shape is really important. If it's thin Kumo, then I don't really mind, but when the price goes into the thick part of the Kumo like this, then most likely the market spikes. So you have to either watch out with the risk management if you want to trade on this one, or choose other pairs which have more stable trends, no Kumo ahead. So that's pound USD. Pound JPY is also bullish. Today Kumo is bullish, Kijun Sen is up, Tenkan Sen is also up, Chikou span above candles. So I continue to look for a buy opportunity, but this week has been ranging. So, and this is where the fight between the long-term buyers and short-term sellers happening, and that's why the market is really choppy this week. But we'll see. Once it breaks, I think there will be a new uptrend, new and stable uptrend. So I wait for that to happen. So I think in this case, I just delete this horizontal resistance level. And whenever I see bullishness, I simply follow. Oh, but one thing we have to remember is that the resistance level 172.15 has been really strong. So there was a resistance on the 31st October, and then also 2nd of May. And right now it has been ranging. So yeah, in this case, never jump in the market, because the market may retrace to Tenkan Sen or Kijun Sen, or the market may have may retrace to the trend line. You can draw the yellow trend line like this way, and you can see that the market has been supported by this trend line, so it may retrace to the trend line or to the Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen, but then my long-term analysis is bullish. So yeah, I wait for more clear bullishness in the market to trade. So that's pound JPY. Just in case I mark this one too, so that you know which one I think it's great to monitor this week. And pound CAD has been ranging, so when I see this kind of situation at a glance, no trades. Before I said the market was bullish because of this breakout, and Tenkan Sen was up, Kijun Sen was up, but now after that it retraced, so I will delete upper row, redo analysis, and this is range. Okay, pound AUD is bullish today. So pound AUD is bullish today, but overall still ranging. Kumo Senko span A is up, and Senko span B is flat, Kijun Sen flat. So technically it's bullish, but I think the bullishness is not that strong as compared to, for example, pound JPY or USD JPY. I think pound AUD is still ranging overall until it breaks 1.9035. So I wait for the breakout to happen. And this pair also might have ascending P wave. You can also draw the trend line like this way on your chart and see if it breaks. If it doesn't, then most likely it retraces to Tenkan Kijun Sen or the trend line until it breaks finally. So yeah, just watch out on the trend line on pound AUD also. Yeah, and pound Swiss franc has been ranging, so no direction, no trace. And AUD/USD, as I mentioned, this is bearish. It broke the support zone. So I think this pair will be bearish. We can monitor and look for the selling opportunity. And also AUD/CAD is bearish too. So this pair is also nicely bearish. I put down arrow like this. So that's nice. And AUD/JPY is also bearish, but this is against the major bullish direction today. So no trade. So I'm a trend follower, so whenever the price is going against the major direction, I don't take trades. I don't take contrarian trades. I always follow major direction to trade. So this one is retracing, so I wait for the next bullishness to happen. But basically, I can see that all the JPY pairs are bullish. So most likely, I only look for buy opportunity on the JPY pairs. AUD Swiss franc broke the trend line, and now it's consolidating, ranging. So there's no more trend on this pair. So wait for the support level breakout to next opportunity. And CAD/JPY has been bullish too. It broke the resistance. So I mark this one too. CAD/JPY, I'm looking for a buy opportunity. And this pair also has been supported by the trend line. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times or so. So this pair is still bullish. It may be traced to the previous resistances or the trend line, but then I think long term is bullish. So that's CAD/JPY. And CAD Swiss franc, it broke the trend line and it's now consolidating. So I focus on other trending pairs to trade. And finally, Swiss franc JPY is still bullish too. So it broke the resistance and then retraced. Then it actually forms the next N wave bullish. So it may be traced to the Tenkan Kijun Sen, but then my view in the long term is bullish. So Swiss franc JPY, I marked this one too, to look for an opportunity this week. So again, so far the best pair among these Forex pairs on my watch list is AUD/CAD and also AUD/USD. And then I can see that some other JPY pairs, USD/JPY is breaking the resistance, and Pound JPY is also bullish, and CAD JPY is also bullish. Yeah, AUD/JPY is now retracing today, but Swiss franc JPY is also bullish, about to break that resistance too. So these are, I think, great pairs to monitor this week. Okay, so let's see. Let me now check gold. I have been looking for an opportunity on gold also, but yeah, still no chance. It retraced and it's going within the Kumo now, so no chance. Yeah, most likely the market will be very choppy when this happens, so for now I focus on Forex pairs. If it broke 2070 level, then for sure I would be following uptrend and keep holding the gold. But now it's ranging again. So there was a double top and the neckline was broken. So in that sense, this may be bearish too. So from here, the market may break the Kumo and goes bearish. We'll see. Yeah, so gold is now, to me, still range to downtrend. And here's WTI. WTI has been also ranging, but if you remember last time, 1 or 2 weeks ago, when I analyzed the market, there was a gap between the candles, and this gap was filled. So that's why I say that this is bearish. And then the market actually went down all the way to the support. But on the 4th of May, there was a pin bar, and then it's now slightly bullish. And now Kumo is flat, Kijun Sen is down, Tenkan Sen is bullish, so there's a divergence of the angles of Tenkan Kijun Sen, which means range is flat, and Chikou span is getting closer to the candles, so most likely I think it will spike. Just goes up and down until the market finds the next direction. So I would say that WTI is no more bearish. If it broke 64.45, then it may have gone down and stably bearish, but there was a double bottom, so now it's consolidating, looking for the next direction to go. And here's natural gas. Natural gas, it broke the trend line, and then it broke the Kumo, but then now it's retracing, so the price is back within the Kumo, so this is now again in the range. But there was a resistances, and yesterday looks like the market was supported by the previous resistance level. This is a neckline also of a W bottom, so this time the market may be supported around this area, 2.5, and then may head bullish. So this is about the price action. I'm not reading the market by Ichimoku, but in terms of the price action, it's like this. So if you don't really know which way it's going from Ichimoku, then you can also apply the price action or the candlestick patterns to read the market. And then until a market start to respect the Ichimoku analysis, you can still use the price actions like this and make some scenario in the market. So that's natural gas. So now let me quickly take a look at the index also. Okay, so here's a Nikkei daily chart is bullish. It has been bullish so strong. It broke the resistances, multiple resistances. It broke the swing high. So now it's bullish. It actually reached all the way up to 31,000. Today is bearish, but in terms of Kumo shape, this is not too thin. So when the Kumo is not too thin, then this is still bullish, stably bullish. When the Kumo is too thin, that means the market will be overbought, but when you see the Kumo thickness is there, this means that the market is continuously bullish. So it may retrace to Tenkan Sen in this case, but then maybe supported and continue to go up is my analysis. So this market has been really strong. Yeah, there was a long time of the range, and then exactly on the day 12th of May, it broke the range, and then ever since it has been really strong. So that's Nikkei index. Okay, quickly checking some US index. Dow Jones today is bearish. It broke the support, broke the Kumo. So this market might turn bearish. So US indices has been really choppy these days too. There is no one-way direction. So very difficult to see which way it's going. Now in the short term, Dow Jones is bearish. And so Nasdaq, I mentioned Nasdaq a couple of weeks ago, and I said that this is bullish, and looks like it just did just I put the up arrow, it broke the resistance 13,200, and then I was mentioning it may reach to 13,700, and it actually broke that level and went all the way up to 13,900, and then now it's retracing. So today is bearish. Today's been bearish, but I can see that still the Kumo shape is thick. So I think this is bullish. Yeah, this is still bullish. So if you want to trade Nasdaq, then wait for the bullish candlestick appears, and then on the next day you follow uptrend. Right now it's bearish, so it may go down to the previous resistance 13,200 or the Kijun Sen. So this is not the best timing to be in a trade, but wait for a pushback or a bullishness, then you can still trade to buy. So that's Nasdaq. And here's S&P. S&P also about to break that resistance, but then it actually didn't. Now it's retracing. So I would say that the best US index right now is the Nasdaq. Alright, and I know some of you trade cryptos too. Personally, I don't. I never trade cryptos, so I only trade Forex. But here is Bitcoin for your information. The prices are within the Kumo, especially a thick part of the Kumo. So I said when the price is within the Kumo, then this is range. The market becomes really choppy, and it's been around for the last 2 weeks or so, 3 weeks. And if the market continue to range like this, then most likely within 1, 2, 3, 4 days or 5 days, the price will break the Kumo bearish. Even if it goes sideways, even the market goes sideways, it breaks the Kumo bearish. This is the beauty of Ichimoku. The price level will be the same, but the price goes into Kumo and gets out of the Kumo like this. And this is why I like Ichimoku. So even if it goes sideways, the market will break the Kumo bearish in 4 or 5 days and then may turn bearish. So unless the market will be supported by this Senko span B of the Kumo and goes up this way, most likely this market is still bearish. So yeah, if you trade and if you can sell, I think that will be a right call, but definitely not the best timing to buy yet on this one. So that is my analysis on this market. And just earlier there was news in UK, BOA's governor speech. It happened about 1.5 hours ago, but looks like the impact was not so much within the market. So it was this one, BOA's Governor Bailey's speech. There was not really a big impact at this news. And next one, it's coming up, it will be ECB's President Lagarde's speech in Euro. And then FOMC minutes today. So we still have a couple of big news, so just watch out. Tomorrow there will be GDP annualized in the US, and Friday 26 we have retail sales in Australia. This may impact the market. Just like today's New Zealand, there was a big news, retail sales in New Zealand today. If you watch that one, the actual was worse, minus 1.4. And this was worse than previous, worse than consensus. So NZD currency was sold very much. And as a result, JPY was bought, and basically all the other pairs were bought, except for AUD, and NZD went down very fast. So indirectly, these news can impact the market. So today again, there will be news in Euro and also in the US, but it may impact other markets like JPY or AUD or CAD. So just watch out on this one. Okay, so let me check some comments. Hold on, let me monitor AUD, CAD, and in the meantime, let me check some comments. Again, thank you very much everyone for joining today. It's been a while. Sorry, I have been unwell for the last 1 week, so I wasn't able to do live. But finally, I'm back. So I'm very happy to see all the comments, and thank you very much for those who messaged me for the best wishes. Thank you very much. Okay, Blair, good to see you. Rajesh, good to see you too. Yeah, it's been a while. I just wanted to say hi to everyone, one by one. All right. JJ, good morning. Thank you for joining too. Oh yeah, there will be a members live after this. So in about 25 minutes from now, there will be an Ichimoku membership live. I will put the link on the Discord, so you can join later too. Today I'm thinking to cover the Q questions to K section. So I will answer questions within the Discord community. Okay, Riz says, I saw all your video, all is very good and different from others. For example, Bollinger Band is very different from other video I saw in YouTube. Please make more video about the price action. Oh sure, price action, I have some videos. You can search price action Forexkei, and I'm sure you can find some more videos about that. And Fibonacci too. I talk about the Fibonacci also. So you can find some videos about that too. Yeah. Okay. But I do talk about the Fibonacci in the live market too. So yeah, please stay tuned about that. All right, Telison, good to see you. Django, good to see you too. All right, Vi says, do you execute your trade when a price is getting close to previous high or previous low while Ichimoku is showing you a signal? Yes, I do. Yeah. So Ichimoku is for me the primary indicator that I follow. So even the resistance level is close. If I see buyers, enough buyers to break through the resistance support, then I simply follow. I enter before the break happens, so that once it breaks happens, I can make bigger pips by following the breakout direction. And it's possible by Ichimoku. So I do use that strategy. Yeah, and that's usually when I get these big pips. So that's my favorite strategy. Okay, Carol, good to see you. Thank you very much. Okay. Let's see. Okay, KLXR says, a lot of people suggest me to use RSI in combo with Ichimoku. Is it good? I'm not sure because I never use Ichimoku with other indicators. I only use Ichimoku and the candlesticks and that's it. So I don't know how people use Ichimoku with RSI, but for me, Ichimoku works the best by itself with the candles. Okay, Powell, good to see you. Thank you very much. Okay, Nifty chart, all right. Nifty 50, let's see, I have it here. So Nifty has been bullish. Yeah, the prices are above the Tenkan-sen. And the Chikou span above candle, so it's bullish. It broke the resistance, 18,200. So I think this market will be another N wave and goes up to 18,800. So that's bullish to me. Yeah. Okay, and if I look at the most recent candles, for the last 2 days has been doji, 2 dojis, and 4 days ago, 4 candles ago, there was a pin bar. So this is also something I see by the price action, is that there's a pin bar and then next candlestick appears bullish. This shows these 2 candles show that there is a strong bullish trend, buyers in the market. And yesterday was doji, today is also doji. So in this case, yeah, most likely I think it goes up and breaks the new resistance. Okay. Okay. Hello James, good to see you again. Yeah, thank you very much. AUD/USD had a sell earlier, 11:30 GMT went against me. Missed the other opportunity, right market, wrong time. Oh, okay, yeah. So AUD/USD, there was a nice breakout of the support. Yeah, but I think this pair was a bit tricky because if you look at, because of 2 reasons. One is the Kumo shape on the daily chart was very thin, small. So that means this market may not have enough power for the breakout. And secondly, there was a support area. There were once and twice 2 supports. If you all the way extend all the way to the back, there was also this one was not really close, but this one was most likely support. So, but at least these 2 supports were very close. So I think when it's about to break, it was a bit spiky. So next time I suggest you or everyone to zoom out the chart like this and draw the lines, draw the support and the resistance. And when it's too close, no trade. I used to analyze the market with this scale, and that was my biggest mistake because I didn't see the past chart all the way in the past. So I was only paying attention to a couple of these candles and then used to take trade, analyze and take trades. So make sure you zoom out and see bigger picture before you take trade. Okay, Johnny, good to see you. Thanks so much for joining. Powell says, what are your thoughts on Euro PLN? Okay, let me check. Okay, looks like my throat is still working okay. So that's a good news. Yeah, until I start the live stream today, I didn't know if I can keep talking for more than 30 minutes or so, but looks like it's okay so far. So that means I'm finally recovered. But that was really tough. Okay, so here is Euro PLN, and this is bearish. Yeah, it's about to break the support now. And Kumo has been bearish. And there was resistance by the Kijun Sen twice before. So yeah, looks like the market has been downtrend and it's breaking the support anytime. So I would draw the line on 4.4779 and wait for that breakout to happen. And if I zoom out all the way, oh, there was a support. The previous support was very close from the 10th of February last year. So yeah, but because of this Kumo shape, I think most likely it breaks and goes down at least until 4.4399 or 4.44 area would be a round number, exact number. So I think I just put 4.44, and that will be the target for this pair. So that's bearish. Yeah, for me it's bearish. I put a down arrow like this. This is not too big target, but you know, it's good to know. Good to draw the line, and just for the reminder. All right, we good to see you. Okay. Jitan says, kindly forecast NZD USD. Sure, NZD USD should be downtrend today because of the weak NZD. But let me check. So NZD USD, okay, today is bearish because of the big news in the New Zealand. When the market opened today, there was a big downtrend. But overall has been ranging. Yeah, so today is bearish, but I don't think the market breaks the support. Support level is 0.6083, but I don't think it breaks because the Kumo shape is really small. Kijun Sen has been flat. So there is not enough sellers to break the support in this condition. So most likely what happens in this case would be, so this is the next scenario. Usually what happens is that when you see the big bearish bar or bullish bar, after this the market consolidates. Usually you will see, we will see an inside bars with less volatility inside of this big bearish candlestick until it breaks either direction. Usually that's the case. And the best scenario would be the breakout bearish. When this big inside break happens bearish, then most likely it breaks the support too. So then the market will turn bearish downtrend in the long term. But today by itself, it was bearish, but I don't think it will be continuous. I think the market will consolidate until it finds the next new direction. It actually happened here too. There was a big bearish bar on the 12th of May. And after this, the market consolidated and it became another inside. And today, inside was broken bearish. So most likely in this pattern, most likely next few days will be consolidating range until it breaks either direction is the scenario. Okay. Alright, good to see you. Alright, Tess, thanks for joining. Good to see you. Alright, Panha, good to see you too. Thank you very much. Okay, Amit, thank you very much for joining too. What's the next entry level? Ichimoku, actually, you can actually trade by the price actions, or you can actually do the multiple time frame analysis like I do. You can take the lower time frames and look for an entry opportunity based on the candlesticks and other confirmations. Alright, hello Saman. Hello Sage Master. Thank you for joining from Chicago. Sean, thank you very much. Alright, so, okay, I think I need to rest now. I think I need to rest my throat. So I will end the live. Okay, but finally I'm back. So again, thank you very much everyone for your comments. When I posted my comments last time, I get lots of messages and it was really heartwarming. So thank you very much. So this is a quick announcement. Is that so here is my YouTube channel, and whenever I do announcement, I do this in this community here. So if I have to cancel the live stream or if I have some announcement, then I put the announcements under community. So if you scroll down in this community section, you can find some of my comments, and if I can't do live, then I mention some of the good pairs I think to monitor. So please continue, feel free to just watch the community section in YouTube, and so that you can still keep updated like this. I put my picture here too sometimes. So yeah, okay. So again, thank you very much everyone today. I hope you are all doing well and staying healthy, staying safe. And yeah, I will see you again soon. And to those who are Ichimoku members, there will be an Ichimoku membership live in about 10 minutes. So you can join from the link in Discord. I will see you soon. So until I see you next time, please stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. Alright, bye for now everyone. またね. Thank you very much.